Well, I will say we have a lot of activity coming up with our weather. So obviously yesterday we had plenty of rain across the region, enough especially for the northern and northwestern parts of our viewing area, which is fantastic because that's where we need the rain the most. Comanche getting up to over 1.5 inches, Hamilton just shy of 1 inch, Hillsborough and Waco right around that 3/4 inch mark. Southern parts of Central Texas, Temple, Killeen did not necessarily get a whole lot, but you know what? We got plenty over the last couple of days. And you know what? I have plenty more coming over the next couple of days. Here we go. 50 degrees right now in Temple and Killeen, 45 in Waco, 51 in Bryan College Station. Certainly a chilly start. And it's all because of that cold front that pushed through on Saturday. Brought some severe weather to our western zones and, of course, kind of left North Texas pretty well soaked during the day yesterday. Today should remain pretty dry, but I have a lot of that cloud cover still kind of hanging around. Northerly winds are basically going to keep us nice and cool throughout the day today, but we also have a lot of that cloud cover kind of hanging around. 8 o'clock, we're going up to about 51 degrees. By your lunch hour, we should warm up into those upper 50s, 58, with those winds staying much calmer than yesterday, so you don't need to hold onto your hat as much, but you might want that light jacket because we're only going to be maxing out in those mid 60s. Across Central Texas. Now tonight is not going to be as cold, mostly due to the fact that we have the winds shifting. They're coming now out of the southeast. That's going to bring an excess of Gulf moisture into the atmosphere and give us a chance of maybe some isolated showers across the region. Now I'm not looking at anything in terms of possible severe weather. As a matter of fact, 8 o'clock for tonight, not really seeing anything, but during Texas Today tomorrow, you might see an isolated sprinkle here and there. Just might be enough to maybe turn on the wipers just once, and that's going to be it. By the afternoon, well, I'm seeing a little bit more activity right around the northwestern region. We're starting to see places like Brownwood seeing a little bit of a strong cell. Then it kind of gains in strength right around 7 o'clock on Tuesday, and then we're seeing a very large widespread line coming in on Tuesday night. That passes through the Brazos Valley. Then we're back into Wednesday morning, starting to look a little bit better until it decides to really kind of stay to the north right around your lunch hour. Might start to see a little bit more activity popping up during the later parts of the evening right around I-35, I-45. We're already up to a level 2 risk for severe weather for tomorrow, and not just tomorrow, but also on Wednesday. So all modes of severe weather are going to be at play here, especially damaging hail and damaging winds. I can't rule out the chance for tornado either. It's actually a little bit higher than what we saw last week with the chance for some flooding rain. How much flooding rain? Well, it's really going to depend on where those cells tend to go.